How to use FreightPOP. Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. Welcome to my FreightPOP review and tutorial. And is it the best shipping and logistics management software? By the end of this tutorial, you'll know. Before diving in, what is FreightPOP and how does it work? Well, FreightPOP is a comprehensive TMS platform that enables businesses to manage their shipping operations across multiple carriers and modes, including parcel, LTL, which is better known as less than truckload, and FTL, which would be full truckload, intermodal, international air and ocean freight. Some of its core features are rate shopping. As with FreightPOP, you will be able to compare shipping rates across various carriers to find the most cost-effective option. It also offers shipment tracking. With shipment tracking, you will be able to monitor shipments in real time from pick-up to delivery, and it also offers carrier management. Their carrier management feature is integrated with an unlimited number of carriers for streamlined operation. And if you're concerned about invoice auditing, well, you would have nothing to worry about with FreightPOP, as it automates the auditing of freight invoices to identify and rectify discrepancies. And it is also a good platform when it comes onto reporting and analytics, as you'll be able to generate custom reports to gain insights into shipping performance and costs. In addition, FreightPOP also offers extensive integration with ERP systems, warehouse management software, and inventory systems, and also hardware like printers and scanners, ensuring a seamless workflow. Some use cases of FreightPOP that I would highlight is manufacturers, as it would streamline the shipment of raw materials and finished goods. It will also be a good option for distributors, as it will help to optimize the distribution process with real-time tracking and rate comparison. And it could also be used for e-commerce businesses, as it will enhance order fulfillment, efficiency, and customer satisfaction. Now, let's talk about some pros and cons of FreightPOP. First, its user-friendly interface. Based on my research, users appreciate the platform's ease of use, which simplifies complex shipping tasks. It also offers comprehensive carrier integration, and it is cost-saving. By comparing rates and optimizing shipping strategies, businesses can reduce shipping costs when they use FreightPOP. The only pullbacks that I have found is there is a steep learning curve, as while the interface is user-friendly, certain advanced features may require additional training to utilize effectively. And also when it comes onto customer support, some users have reported difficulties in receiving timely assistance from customer support, leading to delays in issue resolution. Now let's explore their pricing plan. So if you were to go onto FreightPOP pricing, as you can see right here, FreightPOP offers customized pricing based on the specific needs of a business, including shipment volume and required features. While exact pricing details are not publicly displayed, potential users can request a quote tailored to their operations, as you can see right here. So in conclusion, is FreightPOP worth it? Well, if your business seeks to simplify and optimize shipping operations, FreightPOP presents a robust solution. Its comprehensive features, extensive carrier integrations, and user-friendly interface make it a valuable tool for businesses aiming to enhance their logistics management. However, it's essential to consider the potential performance issues and ensure that the platform aligns with your specific operational needs, which is why I would recommend that you get a demo to check it out. So what are your thoughts on FreightPOP? Let me know in the comment section, and thank you for watching.